Nowadays, we generally expect products and services to function without giving much thought to it. However, in the early part of the 1900s, it was not always easy and guaranteed to expect products to be good. Key components of quality control: inspection, continuous inspection of goods to detect mistakes or issues; testing to ensure products work correctly; statistical process control, SPC, using numbers and graphs to monitor where the process is at and remain on track. Quality control and quality assurance. Quality control, QC, seeks and fixes errors. Quality assurance, QA, attempts to prevent errors by creating sound processes. How quality control operates. Quality inspections are conducted at every stage, during the production of the product, with the end product, and with the raw material. Methods of quality verification. Various industries employ various methods of managing quality. For example, medicine and food employ very strict testing because safety is of top priority. Other industries such as education may employ broad methods of ensuring quality. Some common methods of ensuring quality are control charts, charts that indicate how processes vary over time; process control, adjusting and monitoring steps to ensure consistent quality; acceptance sampling, sampling test of items to see whether the whole batch is good. Who performs quality control? Some have their own quality control staff. Others outsource groups to inspect products, particularly in the case of foods where safety is so critical. Why do we require quality control? What are the advantages? Quality control, QC, is highly significant for numerous reasons. QC benefits both customers and businesses in numerous ways. Customer satisfaction. QC makes sure that products and services are compliant with customers' requirements, thus making them satisfied and loyal. Preventing defects. QC identifies and corrects issues in advance to have less error later on. Cost savings. QC minimizes waste and lowers production costs, thus making operations more efficient. Adherence to rules. QC ensures products comply with laws and regulations to avoid lawsuits. Quality control work and responsibilities. Quality control includes numerous crucial activities. It is different from quality assurance, QA. QA tries to prevent issues from arising in the first place, while QC tries to inspect products to see if there are any flaws. Quality control and quality assurance. Quality control and quality assurance are two concepts that sound alike but are not. QC questions whether a product is good. QA ensures the whole process is in place to be high quality. Conclusion: quality control is necessary to ensure that products and services are good and satisfactory to customers. Having good QC skills can lead you to excellent job prospects. iCertGlobal offers training to help you excel in quality control and grow professionally.